Welcome to Tech Vibes. Today we're fixing software issues on the Crown Smart TV step by step. Make sure the Crown Smart TV is powered on and connected to a stable power source. Pick up the Crown Smart TV remote and bring it close to the screen. Press the home button on the Crown Smart TV remote to open the main menu. Use the arrow keys to navigate carefully on the Crown Smart TV interface. Scroll down and select Settings on the Crown Smart TV menu. Inside Settings, move slowly to Device Preferences on the Crown Smart TV. Confirm the selection using the OK button on the Crown Smart TV remote. Scroll down to find the Reset option on the Crown Smart TV. Select Reset while keeping the Crown Smart TV screen clearly visible. Choose Factory Data Reset on the Crown Smart TV settings screen. Read the warning message shown on the Crown Smart TV carefully. Confirm that all data will be erased from the Crown Smart TV. Select Erase Everything using the Crown Smart TV remote. Wait patiently as the Crown Smart TV begins the reset process. Do not unplug the Crown Smart TV during this important step. The Crown Smart TV screen may turn black for a few moments. Watch for the Crown Smart TV logo to reappear on the screen. Allow the Crown Smart TV to reboot automatically. This process may take several minutes on the Crown Smart TV. Once rebooted, the Crown Smart TV will show the initial setup screen. Select your language using the Crown Smart TV remote. Connect the Crown Smart TV to your Wi-Fi network. Enter the Wi-Fi password carefully on the Crown Smart TV. Wait while the Crown Smart TV checks for updates. Skip account sign-in for now if the Crown Smart TV allows it. Continue following on-screen steps shown on the Crown Smart TV. The Crown Smart TV will now load the home screen. Check if previous lag or freezing issues on the Crown Smart TV are gone. Open an app to confirm smooth performance on the Crown Smart TV. Adjust basic display settings on the Crown Smart TV if needed. Set correct time and region options on the Crown Smart TV. Reinstall only essential apps on the Crown Smart TV. Avoid installing too many apps on the Crown Smart TV initially. Restart the Crown Smart TV once more for stability. Turn off the Crown Smart TV using the remote. Unplug the Crown Smart TV power cable from the wall. Wait at least 60 seconds before reconnecting the Crown Smart TV. Plug the Crown Smart TV power cable back in firmly. Power on the Crown Smart TV using the remote. Watch the Crown Smart TV boot up cleanly. Confirm that menus respond smoothly on the Crown Smart TV. Test volume and input buttons on the Crown Smart TV remote. Switch HDMI inputs to check signal response on the Crown Smart TV. Observe stable performance across menus on the Crown Smart TV. Your Crown Smart TV factory reset is now complete. This method fixes most software glitches on the Crown Smart TV. If issues persist, contact Crown Smart TV customer support. Thanks for trusting Tech Vibes with your Crown Smart TV fix. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for more Crown Smart TV troubleshooting guides.